So I thought it about time I recorded a Bike of the Year video. Each category will have 2 worthy runners up, and the winner is down to my personal perspective. You will have your own favourites, do let me know yours in the comments. New rider: Yamaha XSR 700, Honda CB 500F. Winner: BMW G310R. The BMW is super light, great looking and has excellent dealer backup. Sports bikes: Yamaha YZF R1M, Ducati Panigale V4R. Winner: BMW HP4 Race. The HP4 is a slight cheat being a pure race bike, but what the heck, it's way too good to ignore. Street fighters: Ducati Monster 1200 25th Anniversario, Triumph Street Triple 765R. Winner: Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory. Aprilia blessed us with one of the prettiest and best sounding road bikes of all time. Touring: Harley Davidson Ultra Limited 114, Honda Goldwing Touring DCT. Winner: BMW R1250 RT Option 719. As comfortable and gadget laden as its peers, its superior lightweight lets it shine. Baggers: Yamaha Star Eluder, Indian Springfield Dark Horse. Winner: Harley Davidson Street Glide Special, the biggest selling Harley Davidson and overall biggest selling motorcycle in North America with good reason. Cruisers: Indian Scout, Triumph Bonneville Speedmaster. Winner: Harley Davidson Fat Boy 114. Cruisers are subjective, but one thing isn't, the Fat Boy is a legend, and this year it got fatter than ever. Retro: Honda CB 1100 EX, Scrambler Ducati 1100 Special. Winner: Kawasaki Z900RS ABS. Kawasaki's root beer homage to the 70s Z1 is beautifully built, comfortable and sounds raucous as standard. Bobbers: Harley Davidson 48 Special, Indian Scout Bobber. Winner: Triumph Bonneville Bobber Black. From its faux carbs and hidden link pipe to its floating seat and just so proportions, Triumph's Bobber has a timeless appeal. Scooters: BMW C Evolution, Yamaha T-Max SX Sport Edition. Winner: Suzuki Bergman 650 Executive. Sporty maxi scooters and e-bikes come and go, but little matches the well-rounded appeal of the Suzuki Bergman 650 Executive. Naked Street Standard: Yamaha MT-10, Husqvarna Svartbilen 701. Winner: KTM 790 Duke. KTM weren't joking when they christened the 790 Duke the Scalpel, and if you like being naughty at real world speeds, this is your Huckleberry. Adventure Dual Sport: Honda CRF 250L, Triumph Tiger 800 XCA. Winner: Honda Africa Twin CRF 1000L DCT. Honda's Goldilocks Africa Twin transcends group tests, and its dual clutch transmission lets would-be Dakar riders focus on the hazards, not their gears. Adventure Touring: Ducati Multistrada 1260S, KTM 1290 Super Adventure S. Winner: BMW R1250 GSA. Its peers are remarkable in their own right, but when the group tests are over, the journalists always grab the keys to the easiest bike in the world to live with. Muscle cruisers: Ducati X Diavel S, Harley Davidson FXDR 114. Winner: Harley Davidson Fat Bob 114. The big ball Fat Bob can stand its ground in a barroom brawl. When you need your muscle to have both fight and flight, you wouldn't bet against it. Flat Tracker Scrambler, Scrambler Ducati Desert Sled, Indian FTR 1200, Winner, Triumph Scrambler 1200 XE. Technically launched but not in dealers just yet, there's no question that Triumph would have given the very first one off the production line to Steve McQueen. CAFÉ Racer. BMW R9T Racer. Scrambler Ducati CAFÉ Racer. Winner, Triumph Thruxton R. In the 60s, Thruxtons raced around London's North Circular to get back to the Ace Cafe before the song on the jukebox had stopped playing. This would have breezed it. Supermoto. KTM 690 SMC R. Husqvarna 701 Supermoto. Winner, Ducati Hypermotard 950 SP. Proving Ducati can still do hardcore, they're not pandering to the masses with the sport production. You want a race? You got it. Sports Touring. Ducati Supersport S. KTM 1290 Super Duke GT. Winner, Kawasaki Ninja H2 SX SE. If you've not heard the superlative chirps of Kawasaki's supercharger, then you may have been under a rock this year. Very green and simply astonishing. Special Innovation Award. Winner, Yamaha Nikon GT. You may scoff at three wheels, but when the ice cometh, the Nikon rider will look like Marquez on a good day, and the GT's taller screen, heated grips and panniers are winter friendly. High interest bikes for next year. KTM 790R Adventure. I predict this will be a disruptor for adventure bikes, lighter than the monstrous Adventure Tourers, more powerful and hardcore than the Dual Sports. Could be the solo round the world traveller's soulmate. Harley Davidson Livewire. Harley have struggled to find their mojo. Depending on range and price, the Livewire could see them appeal to a younger audience that they crave. Maybe they'll become the Tesla of the bike world. Ride-on Bike of the Year. In third place, Kawasaki 900 RS. In second place, KTM 790 Duke. Winner, BMW R1250 GSA HP. The GS invented the adventure touring category way back in the early 80s when BMW were a genuine force in the Para-Dakar races. Combined GS and GSA sales comfortably exceed that of any large capacity model by any manufacturer globally, and this has spawned many Me Too bikes from other brands. The GSA builds on the excellent foundations of the base GS, adding a much larger fuel tank, engine protection bars, spotlights, bigger screen and greater road presence. For its late 2018 release, the 2019 model year bike gains new bodywork for the nose snorkel, front panel, radiator guards and an aerodynamic cover for the centre stand. It carries over the excellent TFT dashboard and adds hill hold and gains new colourways including the bold red, white and blue with gold wheels in the HP model. Importantly, it gains more power and torque from its engine capacity increase combined with the additional all-new shift cam variable valve cylinder heads. And the engine and gearbox and both up and down pro shifter are now all quieter, smoother and slicker, providing even more refinement to the consummate all-rounder. If you like the latest variants of the GS/GSA and the time is right for you, the newly refreshed model will be money well spent. And in my honest opinion, the GSA HP is the very best version that BMW have ever produced. And for this reason, the ride-on Bike of the Year for 2018 is the BMW R1250 GS Adventure HP. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate all your feedback and support for the Ride On channel. I hope you're already a Ride On subscriber, but if not, please subscribe straight away. And last but not least, ride often, ride carefully, ride on.